Like the blanket, like
Do you guys someone want to get towed in the
Holy cow.
You guys excited to go boating?
yeah.
You're gonna get tossed around on a tube?
Uh-oh.
Maybe we should go in. Made it to Fort Collins, Colorado. Cute downtown.
Oh, dude, those are so nice.
Kim, Greg wants you to go show that girl how to dance.
I double dare Nate.
I'll go show the old man how to dance. You show the girl how to dance.
We need to go over there together.
Seems like my time's right. Now I'm feeling right, never live life in hindsight. Say my feet to the floor.
Down, what is this, downtown Fort Collins?
Yeah, Old Town Fort Collins.
Where Ryan went to, well, grew up. Grew up. He's telling us that Main Street Disneyland is modeled after some of these buildings. This is the fire station? Fire station like the one at Disneyland. It's pretty cool.
They're nice.
They smell good. Oh.
Nate loves flowers.
I do love flowers.
Yeah, I think that's what food I Ryan just delivered on Nate's happy place. Look at this, you guys. If you know Nate, you know. I feel like you should like lay in them and do like a snow angel. It's crazy that this is like such a famous piece of art, you know. The tomato soup can.
I've never seen it.
You've never seen this?
It is beautiful here.
It is the coolest little town. I never really knew much about it, but so far we've really enjoyed it. We're officially on day 5 of our Midwest road trip. Today we're in Fort Collins, Colorado. The Hits from Hawaii, we're visiting with them. They have a boat headed up to the reservoir. You guys excited to go boating?
Yeah.
You're gonna get tossed around on a tube?
Fun fact, the Hits in Hawaii, we used to go surfing with them all the time. And this boat is a wake boat, which means that we'll actually get to go surfing with them again
Here
in Colorado.
In Colorado. Hanging out with to be so fun.
It's so
Debbie, I have
fun
some
tubing.
cheese.
Okay, last year we went, and my brother-in-law, it was me and my two sister-in-laws on the tube, and he flung us around like we were little rag dolls. And we did, like, I felt like what it must feel like to be a rock skipping on the water. Like I just like bounced on top of the water when we flew out.
They all flew out like
all of us flew out.
First, and we don't want anyone going flying.
Ready, Kim?
Ready.
Ready?
Ready.
Ready. Stand up. Okay, Kim, grab the rope and pull yourself into a sweet spot. There you go. Lean back, lean back. Okay, she's ready, Ryan. Hey, just relax, relax. Put your hand inside that. Okay, relax. Just get used to it for a second. Okay, pull it towards you a little bit. Pull yourself. There you go. There you go. You're fine. Scoot back a little. Your nose is going down. Scoot back a little. Yeah, we'll start out really slow. Hold on tight. Got it. Pull the rope in tighter. Bend your elbow. And holding on. Don't let go. Don't let go. Up here. I'm going to pull you up here so you're in front of the weight. Okay, let's try that, Sandra.
Good job, Lily. The freshwater shark's not gonna get you. No, it's right behind you.
Bend your elbow. Right now, I'm not running over water. Into the wave. The wave will try to push you back. All right, a little more, Chandra.
Yeah, don't make that noise. Gives me a heart attack.
want to get towed in the...
Now that I wiped off all the gruesome parts,
This is after.
are you
Well,
in much pain?
this is after.
It's not too bad.
She
I could just tell by the way we hit that it was like, okay? It was like automatically I could tell it split the skin. You know?
Holy cow, that is swollen.
Do you want a nice peck on it right now?
No fun. Chicken what? Wing? Yeah, I like wing. I think we... Leaving Walgreens. I got my medical supplies. Try to clean up Kim's face. We'll see what's what, and then we'll decide if we're gonna take her to the urgent care or not.
That stings. I'm trying to get my eyelashes away.
Ow.
Zivagan has turned into a first aid unit.
It's multi-purpose.
How's your head, buddy? Jax?
I touch it.
Yeah.
Oh, it's right in my eye. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at that.
Uh-oh.
Maybe we should go in.
Look at me.
What is that?
We put it on, it's gonna drip.
Water?
Mom, if you need.
Big goose egg on his head, huh? Don't, okay, do it soft. Okay, put your head down so we can try to see it. You okay? Yeah? What? Said you don't have to sit on that.
We need room.
This is what I do.
I don't know. After assessing Kim's cut, we've decided that my skills are not enough, and so we're gonna take her to the urgent care.
Maybe they can work around my eyelashes.
But we have great friends who are gonna watch our kids.
We're just really getting the full Fort Collins tour. We're seeing it all.
I bet after they see my Steri-Strip job, they'll probably ask if they could hire me. What
job?
kind of surgeon or professional medic did this to your face? Because he did an excellent job. So they'll probably have me skip med school, and I'll come straight to Fort Collins and start practicing medicine.
7-7. Wow, I look beautiful. So what happened? We were on a boat. My son and I slammed heads on the tube.
Oh, ow, okay. And do all that good work you did.
I told her that you guys would probably want to hire me as soon as you saw my great work. It's oozing. It's like the clear blood stuff.
Stop. Nobody wants to see that.
You got burned today.
Did I?
Yeah.
He was like, hey, I know you. And he's like,
Let's get a progress report on this thing.
Maybe try
he's like, well,
On my
you know
beautiful
me,
face.
how come I don't know
Here,
you.
lift your head up so we can see the bruising underneath.
He said when
Look at that bruise. Holy cow. That is crazy.
Is it really bruised now?
It needs to go in the fridge.
I'm afraid to look at my eye.
yeah,
Yeah, it's pretty
I
bruised.
pretty much did.
Is the swelling going down?
No.
No?
Yeah, girls.
They
can
didn't
you-
do stitches, Gabriella. They just...
It should be left. You can dispute it.
That is crazy.
You should have just.
Let's look.
All right, the time has come to say goodbye to our wonderful, great, beautiful friends who've been so good to us. Took us out on a boat, they took us hiking, they took us to ice cream and great Indian food where Chandra and Kim got in a fight because Kim
Tried
took
to
some of
steal
her
her.
food.
Don't take my Indian man.
She calls Ryan her Indian man.
It's all in the hair.
Well, thank you guys.
You're welcome.
So much fun. There we go, we're off. Saying goodbye to the Hits family.
Bye, Hits. So much fun. Such good friends. Hawaii is so good to us.
Good people. We love the Hitses. The Hitses.
Hitses.
The Heights.
All right, on our way to Nauvoo.